Alright, so I've got the air on. It's 72 Mustang. Pulled it out to a parking spot this morning. I'm going to swap it back over to the shop. And as we're getting ready to pull in, that AC belt is sure squeaky. So we're going to want to take a lookie at that. So I'll put that on my little notes. I think he said something about that, but now it's just verified. And I'll also check the charge on the air before you come and get her. It has been sitting out kind of in the sun most of the morning, but it's cold out there. It's better tomorrow. Alright, so I just moved the car, as you saw. AC squeals when you get a little RPM. And I touched the steering, and I got a squeal too when I was pulling in with the air on.
That's what she said.
That's what she said, Bernsey? You made her squeal? Anyway.
Don't change the subject.
Anyway. So, there should be, and this would prevent our squealing. Usually when I do an AC install kit on a small block Ford and a Mustang, similar to this, there's usually a triple crank pulley, with these kits it's always, until, you know, people that don't know what they're doing do. So there's always a triple crank pulley, a triple power steering pulley, the double pulley here, and a double pulley on the power steering pump. This is obviously going to slip because that's way too much load and not enough grip angle for either for one belt.
Oh, shit.
So we need to have a conversation on it. And then next step, Xander and I are just getting ready to put these back on after repairing
Ow. Watch your...
those last week.
Yeah.